Let's dive into some simple yet effective tricks to master. By learning these shortcuts, you will not only save time during calculations but also sharpen your mental math skills. Remember, patterns and visuals are your best friends. Let's make math easier and more fun together. Hey everyone, welcome to Krupa's Math Insights, where we make math easier, fun, and super practical. Today, I'm excited to share some amazing tricks that I've identified to memorize the squares of number from 1 to 30 and cubes of number from 1 to 20 without the boring repeated calculations. If you are ready to boost your mental math skill, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to my channel, and stay tuned for more math magic. Let's jump right in. Let's start with squares. Squares are just numbers that are multiplied by themselves. But why multiplication each time when you can use smart tricks? Now, before we dive into tricks, let me explain something. Come on, let's start with the square numbers from 11 to 29 is my main tricks which would be taught. Before dwelling into that, let me just ask you a few questions. Do you ever seen similar pattern or observed on the similar patterns? Oh, come on. Here, I show you that pattern. Just check with all the unit digits of the squares. Don't you think that the symbol the same everywhere? The unit digit remains the same. For everyone which ends with the 1 as their square number, their squares will also end with 1. The same happens everywhere. Just have a clean look on this because by which we have already learned what would be your unit digits, and obviously all this will already be known to you. But yet, let me teach you for these things how to remember the square numbers, because all these are just the similar multiplication that occurs, like for 2 square it is just 22, for 7 square it is just 77, and 9 square 9 into 9, and it goes on, and you will be knowing the simple and a basic multiplication. But when it comes from 11 and so on, you want the time to memorize. So here I just teach you everything without doing a boring multiplication. Come on, let's have a look into it. For 11 square, 11 is the number. Then look at it unit digit, add it once again. So 11 plus 1, which gives you 12, which is already in written here, and this one you know how you got it. So 11 square is 121. To say once again, you will get this by squaring this. The last number square will be your unit digit to this. So 11 square is 121. Same way for 12 square, 12 the number itself plus its unit digit, that is 2, which gives you 14, and it is written here exactly same way. For 2 square, you have taken it and written it as a 4. So for 12 square, it is overall 12 plus 2, 14, and this 4. So 144 is the 12 square. When it comes to 13 square, similarly, 13 plus its unit digit, that is 3, which gives 16, and it is already written, and you got this 9 from the 3 square. So 13 square is 169. Will this happen for all? Let's check it out and do it happens. But you just want to be focused from here on. Just be more focused. 14 square, same way, 14 plus the unit digit 4, which gives you 18. Oh, come on. But here it is 19. So it is wrong? No, it is right. Do you know how? Just look for the 4 square, which was 16. All these are the unit digit, and it's just a single number squares. But from here, the square numbers are the double digit. So The 10th digit will be added here. So this 1 is taken here and added, which gives you 19, and the 6 remains the 6. So 14 square, just have a clear attention and look it into. 14 plus 4, 18. This one came from here, so making it as 19. Together, 14 square is 196. Same thing happens. Just do it for yourself for 15 square. Is it done? Okay, let me show you. 15 plus 5, which turns out to be 20. This 2 is added up, which is 22, and here the number 22 and the 5, the unit digit resembles the same, and 15 squares turns out to be 225. Will you just do for all the remaining 4? Yes, you just do and try it which is same, but I'll be finally providing with the answers. Do check for your answers that is being done. Okay? Have you guys checked it out? And did you all get the same answers? I hope you have. Okay, let's check into 21 to 29. You already see we have added up with unit digits. Same bit as here, but by little difference. Let's see what is that. Just have a clean observation. 21, the number itself will be added first, which gives 42. Then its unit digit is added, which gives 44. So do you understand how this 44 came? And you already know how all these unit digits are already been derived. So 21 square resembles to 21 plus 21 plus its unit digit 2, that is 42 plus 2, making it as 44. Okay, come on, let's check it for 22 square. 22 plus 22, which is 44, and its unit digit is 4, which gives you 48. Hence 22 square is 484. For 23, 23 plus 23, which is 46 exactly. The 6 is added again as it is its units digit, which gives you 52. Hence 23 squares turns out to be 529. But for these two, as I've already said, from here on, it starts with a double digit initially for the squares. So, same way, 24 plus 24, which gives 48, plus its unit digit 8, plus this 1. Did you understand why it needs to take 1 and from where I have taken this 1? So, together it makes 57, and the 6 is taken here, making 24 square as 576. Same for 25 square. 25 plus 25, which gives you 50. As its unit digit is 0, oh, you wondered you need to add 0 or something else? Yes. If it is 0, it is nothing but 10. So 50 plus 10, for which you will be even adding this 2, which makes you 62, and 25 square is 625. But for all these from 26 to 29, I have you with a cool super easy tricks. Not even addition should be required for this. Are you eager to learn it? Let me teach you. For 26, what is the digit here? Yes, it is 6. 6. What is its next number? It is 7. And write the same number. Wow, we got the square of 26 so easily. Yes, 26 square is 676. For 27 square, what is the reciprocate of 27? It is 72. And you already know what should be its unit digit, that is 9. Here we turn for 27 square as 729. For 28 square, what we have done for 27 square? We just reciprocated. Take that reciprocate number, that is the 72, and what is this both numbers 64 do's here? Take the 6 and add it here, which turns out to be 78, and you already know what should be its unit digit.
So for 28 square it is 72 plus 6, which gives you 78. 29 square is still super easy. Just come back and see what is 9 square. It is 81. Write 8, 1. What should be at the middle? Are you guessing? Don't guess much. Let me say you. It is just as 2 square. That is 4. So 29 square is 841. Are you done? And now on you won't be needing any multiplication to memorize all these square numbers, and make sure you learn it and say it in a super trick and a logical way when your teachers ask you.
Cube numbers follow unique sequence too. Try focusing on digits, patterns at the end, and relate them back to the basic numbers. Remember, cubes grow quickly, but breaking them into smaller steps makes them manageable. That's it for today's math adventure. Remember, math is not about rote memorization, it's about understanding patterns and having fun. Before you go, don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful. Subscribe to Kripa's Math Insight for more exciting matrix. Comment below with your favorite shortcut or any math puzzle you want me to solve next. Until next time, stay curious and keep discovering the magic of math.